Hello kids. Today's story is called Kali Wants to Dance. The author of this story is Aparna Karthikeyan. So do you want to hear about Kali and his ability to dance? Let's start. In the fishing village of Kovalam, Kali Veerapathiram is a hero. Not because he's an actor, not because he has fought off villains. He's a hero because he learned to dance. It's the year 2000 and Kali is 8 years old. Like many boys, he goes to school, plays with his friends, watches TV. Unlike many boys, Kali also dances. Kali loves to watch Padmini dance on TV. She's a famous actor and a fantastic dancer. He pretends to wear a salangai, which are ankle belts, and dances Bharatnatyam just like her. Tari tana jonu tini taka tiri tana tana takida 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 dam. Kali becomes such a good dancer that his teachers ask him to perform at school programs. Soon, he's known in the little fishing village as the Bharatnatyam dancer. One day, Sara Chanda, who manages a hospital in Chennai, sees him perform on stage. Dittiyam tata thai, dittiyam tata thai. She's astonished to see such a talented boy and is moved that he has gotten so far. All by himself. Would you like to become a Bharatnatyam dancer? Would you like to learn Bharatnatyam in Kalakshetra? She asks him after the performance. Kali laughs as first. Dance? The Dalit community rarely had the opportunity to learn, let alone master Bharatnatyam. In Kali's family, there was never enough money to spare for dance classes. And who has heard of boys dancing for a living? But Sara is serious. You must learn Bharatnatyam in a proper school, Kali, she says. I will pay your fees. Sara arranges for Kali to visit Kalakshetra, one of the best dance schools in the country. It is a beautiful place in Chennai with lots of trees. Leela Samson, the head of Kalakshetra, who's also a renowned Bharatnatyam dancer, tells Kali to perform for them. Kali ties a sari crookedly over his trousers and dances to a film song. The teacher thinks that he has the makings of a classical dancer. But Kali can't decide what he wants to be when he grows up. Should he be an actor, a collector, a teacher, a biotechnologist, or a dancer? His friends and family don't really help. Who has ever learnt dance and made money afterwards? It's a waste of time, growls Kali's mama. Only girls dance. You'll become girlish, his friends tease him. Amma asks Kali what his heart wants. Do you love dancing? Does it make you feel good? Is that what you all want to do always? Yes, dance is all that and more for me, Amma, he replies. Then don't listen to anyone. If it makes you happy, learn dancing. As usual, Amma has all the answers. So after his final school exams, Kali begins to learn 3 kinds of folk dances at Dakshina Chitra. Oyatatam, Dhimmita Nakadi Daka Dhinna Dhinna Dhimmita Nakada Naka Dhinna Dhinna. Tapatatam, Taka kuku kuku takuku taka taka kuku taka kuku kuku taka taka kuku taka 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 kuku taka taka. Karagatam, Datta Daguna Daguna Daka Daguna Daguna Datta Daguna Daguna Dham. Next month, Kali begins learning Bharatnatyam at Kalakshetra. The first few days in school are scary and quiet. When the work gets too much and his legs hurt, he cries to Amma. "Do you want to herd buffaloes?" Amma asks him sternly. "No!" "Then go back and do your best." Kali begins to adjust to his new world. He makes friends. When language is a problem, not all his classmates know Tamil. Kali speaks using mudras. "Did you go home for the holidays? Have you eaten?" At Kalakshetra, he becomes a skillful dancer. He becomes lean and fit and full of energy. He can now dance for hours. He learns Carnatic music as well. He makes many friends amongst the students who have come from all over the country and the world. They share their hopes, dreams, and even the food they bring from their homes. Kali starts getting invitations to perform all across India and around the world. He travels by bus, by train, and aeroplane to many places. His akkas tease him. "Do you remember you could not even sit in a bus without throwing up?" Kali laughs as well. It is true. As a child, he would carry a lemon and a plastic bag with him on the bus. As the years pass, Kali wins awards for his performances. He starts a dance school called Kootambalam in Kovalam. Now, Kali is ready for another performance. He puts on his makeup carefully. He wears his costume with ease. The velvet curtain goes up. Kali begins to dance. Do you know the story of Kali the dancer apart from what I've heard? At the age of 25, Kali Veelapathiram is perhaps the only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance form of Bharatanatyam as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms according to the People's Archive of Rural India. Born in Kovalam, a struggling fishing village not far from Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Kali lost his father very young. It was his mother, Ellamali Veerapathiram, a construction labourer who worked doubly hard to raise him and his many siblings. Sara Chanda, who's a member of the managing committee of Grimaltes Hospital in Chennai, sponsored his education at Kalakshetra, India's premier dance school. He has also studied at Dakshina Chitra under Kanan Kumar. Having completed his PG, that's postgraduate diploma in dance, Kali has started Kootambalam, a dance school in Kovalam. Kali was featured in the documentary film by the People's Archive of Rural India. Many newspapers and TV channels have carried his interviews. He's won awards for his dance, including the Music Academy Spirit of Youth Award. So this was a nice story about a boy very much like you called Kali. His story tells us something really important. It doesn't matter what you become when you grow old. What matters is that you work hard today and you practice what you love. Be happy, stay safe, and continue to practice and work hard at what you love doing. Bye.